It don't read for Nigeria. Everything is working against Nigeria. Nature is against Nigeria. When I tell you that Nigeria is about to crash, make una no think say na me dey talk am. And I tell you what is ahead of you. And nature, which is God's instrument, has spoken loud and clear. You want to know how? I am making to watch this video.
Problem not they finish.
You see and hear.
Problem not they finish. All the flag now they move. Nigeria all matampo. You know what move. You know what move. You know they see. Only move. Kid only go together. The flag is being gay. Disappointment.
This is what they pay me so. This is what they pay me so. Like Nigeria we move there. As part of the post, so none of them they move, but the rest they move.
So Nigeria not get problem.
What I go act for post.
Not be the same. Not
Nigeria just act for post.
Not be the same na phone.
Not be the
When I see him. Now, what happens when there is some kind of tragedy or some kind of mayhem or some kind of catastrophe? What do countries normally do? They fold their flag. They fold their flag. Good. Now, Nigerian flag folded itself by itself amongst other flying flags. Nigerian flag folded by itself and refused to fly. That is a strong message to Nigerian people. God is using so many ways to tell you to get ready, for the inevitable is about to happen. I am the voice of the gods, the voice of our ancestors. And the God is telling you that Nigeria is heading for a crash. Get ready. What are you doing in preparation for that? My people, especially Ndi Igbo, what are you doing? What are your political class doing? What will become of your homeland when eventually Nigeria crashes? You saw the flag. Nobody did it. The flag protested by itself. Why wouldn't that flag fly? Too many reasons. Too many reasons. Numerous to mention. Don't forget that the same flag was drenched, soaked by the blood of innocent Nigerian youths protesting for the betterment of Nigeria, protesting for good governance, protesting against oppressive and corrupt government. They were shot dead. They were carrying Nigerian flag, and their blood was used to soak the same flag. Why would the flag fly? Everything is working against Nigeria. Everywhere from the east, north, west, south, killing is happening. Nigerian people's blood is flowing like a river. Why would Nigerian flag fly? In a situation where there is no hospital for the people and the political class, beginning with the president, travels outside this country to have good medical care, while people die of preventable sicknesses. Why would Nigerian flag fly? I'm asking you the same question. Answer me. And you think all is well? And you think all is well? Why would Nigerian flag fly where you have millions of talented Nigerian youths without jobs? Why would Nigerian flag fly when children go to bed without food because of ravaging and rampaging armed Fulani herdsmen destroying farmlands, ransacking villages, making children orphans, making women widows? Why would Nigerian flag fly? I'm asking you. And you think that Nigeria will survive this? Nature is against Nigeria, and that is the message. That is the message our ancestors is bringing before you. Nigeria is about to crash. What will become of my people? What will become of my people when it eventually happens? The Oduduwas, I must tell you, have a better opportunity because they have used the advantage of the Nigerian system to build their economy. Go to Lagos and see what is happening there. Am I talking about the North? They already have their own well-established system in parallel with the Nigerian system. They have Islamic banking. They have Islamic government under Sharia government. They have already defined their own civilization in line with Islamic civilization. Using the resources from the South. My people from the South, how far? I've said this thing and I'll keep saying it because I'm led to say it. This is my mission and my commitment to open up the consciousness of my people to understand Nuge Belugo Nambabu. Make hay while the sun shines. Chubane Uoji Ko Boseka declare because night is coming. I'm signing out. I'm Associated Peters, the voice of the people, the voice of God. I've spoken as directed. Share this video, drop your comment, let me have your opinion. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to this voice of truth, crying out for the wilderness. Follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Don't forget to download our mobile app, BVI Channel 1 from Play Store. Visit our website, BVIChannel1.com, and stay connected to this voice. Stay safe, my people. Bye-bye.